issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Jefferson County in southeast Wisconsin, northeastern Rock County in south central Wisconsin, western Waukesha County in southeast Wisconsin, northwestern Walworth County in southeast Wisconsin, until 5 p.m. At 3:56 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Whitewater, moving northeast at 35 miles an hour. Hazard, ping pong ball size hail and 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Whitewater around 4:05 p.m., Palmyra around 4:10 p.m., Dousman around 4:30 p.m., Oconomowoc around 4:35 p.m., Delafield and Lac La Belle around 4:40 p.m., Okauchee Lake around 4:45 p.m. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Shenandoah, Millard, Lake Lac La Belle, Hebron, National Weather Service Milwaukee, Rome, Kibitz, Mapleton, Pipersville and Monterey. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building.
Double header!
National Weather Service in Milwaukee has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Walworth County in southeast Wisconsin until 4:45 p.m. At 3:57 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Delavon Lake, moving northeast at 35 miles an hour. Hazard, golf ball size hail and 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Williams Bay around 4:05 p.m., Como around 4:10 p.m., Elkhorn and Lake Geneva around 4:15 p.m., East Detroit around 4:30 p.m., Potter Lake around 4:35 p.m., Mukwonago around 4:40 p.m. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Springfield, Delavon and Burlington. Prepare immediately for large hail and damaging winds. People outside should move to a shelter inside a strong building and away from windows.